Next step on your class website is adding a Google Calendar to your home page, your main page on your website. So you can see on the accounting page that we use, whether we're going to use the accounting page as our example. This may not be the accounting class, but that is the example we're going to use. So on this website, you can see I have all the information at the top, the title, the menus, and then I have the calendar that we use for the class, and it's got everything that we do on each day. You need to add a calendar similar or just like this to yours as well. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how this works. So you're going to go to Google, and you're going to make sure you're logged on. And you're going to go here to this little box, these apps up here. You're going to click on it, and you're going to go to Calendar. Okay. Now in the calendar here, it's going to have a few questions for you. Just kind of read them if you'd like and click through. Okay. I'm going to start using Google Calendar. Alright, so I'm going to change it to the month view up here. I like that better. So you are going to add a calendar to your Google Calendars that you will use in my class, whether it be computer business applications or accounting. So over here on the left hand side, you can view all your calendars by clicking on this little arrow next to My Calendars. Now you automatically get a calendar for your login, and Abraham Lincoln is the one that we already have, but we're going to add another calendar. So you're going to click on this arrow next to it. You're going to go create a new calendar. Now if you're in the accounting class, you're going to click, you're going to name it accounting. If you're in my computer business applications, you're going to name it CBA. So for the example, I'm just going to go accounting. You can put a description or a location or any of that information in here as well if you'd like. And then you're going to click on create calendar. Alright, give it a second, and it pops up over here on the left hand side. So the next thing you need to do is go back to the website, whether it be the Computer Business Applications website or the accounting website, and you have to copy everything that we've done so far this 6 weeks into your calendar. Now if you click on these items, it's going to open it up a little bit more and give you more information if you need that. But it shows you every day what we've done in this class. So you're going to go, so the first day you did first day for freshmen. You don't have to do that one. First day you guys were in school, you did student intros. So you're going to go to your Google Calendar. You're going to make sure that you are on September 26th. So this is September. Here's the 26th. Is that correct? Let's take a look. Here we go. Sorry, you're going to go to August 26th. My mistake. And here's how you're going to add any events. You're going to click on it, and you're going to hit Edit Event. You're going to type the event up here, student intro. Okay, make sure it's the correct date. You can leave it all day if you want, or you can change it to whenever your class time was. That's your choice. You can enter the location. Room 230 is my classroom. You want to make sure it's on your accounting calendar, not the Abraham Lincoln one, the accounting one. You can do a description if you'd like. You don't need a reminder. You can change it to public here, and you don't need to invite any guests. If you want to change the colors, you can. It doesn't really change the color of the type, it just adds a little circle next to it depending on what color you chose. I'm going to leave it as is. So you hit save, you're all done. Hit save, and you can see it adds it right here. Now it's going to make it this yellow color because it's an accounting, it's on your accounting calendar. If you wanted to change the color of that calendar, you could do that. You can do that by clicking on the arrow next to it, making it red. You see the box now turns red. You can change it to whatever color you want. Alright, I'm not going to go through here and add every event, but you need to do that. You're going to be graded on whether your calendar is complete every week. And if you're missing days, obviously that affects your grade as well. So I'm just going to do the student intros for the example. Now I'm going to show you how to add it to your website. So you're going to go over here to your accounting calendar. You're going to click on the arrow that you see right here next to it. And you are going to go, let's see, calendar settings. Here's our settings that we have. You're going to go down here, and it says down here, embed this calendar. Paste this code into your website. So you are going to copy this entire code, right click, copy after you've highlighted it, and then you're going to go back to your website. So here's my website for the example that we're doing in class. Okay, and I'm going to add the calendar down here in the main body part of the web page, the website. Now to do that, we're going to click on the add button over here on the left. We're going to go down. We're going to find this apps. You're going to click on apps. Next, you are going to go down to where it says HTML. Select that, and it drops this little box in here. Okay, there's nothing on the box yet, but you're going to click on the box, and then you're going to select settings. In the settings area, you don't want a website address, you want an HTML code. Click on it, right click, paste the code that you already copied, go down here, hit update, and close this, and voila, there is your calendar. Now you just need to resize it so that it fits on your page here. Okay, so just going to resize it, play with it a little bit so that you're happy with how it looks. Alright, so there we go. I'm not going to resize it perfect. You can do yours though. Now you have it. There's your calendar. Anytime you update anything on your Google Calendar, it will automatically update as well on the calendar found on your website. Make sure you save it, publish it. Any questions, ask me. Go back and watch the video if you need to. Whatever works. All right.